we look at the following diagram that summarizes our topic on death. What happens before, during, and after? Kindly pay attention as we explain by this diagram. To the left-hand side, where the black coloring begins, and we find over there death. When that happens, the dead person views the panorama of past life in the ethers, in the etheric region. After that, it moves to the next, where the essence of pain built into the soul as right feeling. That comes as a result of suffering that has been purged. And that happens in purgatory. And the integration happens in the first heaven. After the first heaven, the dead moves to the next, which is the second heaven. And what happens is that good in past life is built into the mind as right thought. Also, work on a new environment is carried out in the second heaven. After the second heaven, the dead moves to the third heaven. By that time, it has dropped all the 4 vehicles. And in the third heaven, the mind essence of right thought and soul essence of right feeling are built into the spirit as basis for future right actions. The ego, the spirit, stays in the third heaven for some years. Then the desire for experience and soul growth draws the spirit, the ego, to rebirth. And we can see the white arrow coming down from the world of abstract thought, or the region of abstract thought. It moves from the third heaven to the second heaven, where it gathers material for a new mind. From the world of thought, it descends into the desire world, where it gathers materials for a new body. From the desire world, it moves to the physical world, and there we have a new vital body and also birth of the dense body. Then the spirit has taken physical embodiment. We have the birth of the vital body, which allows for growth. Then, by the 14th year, we have the birth of the desired body, the puberty area. And then, by the 21 years, we have the birth of mind. So you can see, by 21 years to 48 years, we have the beginning of serious life, especially from 21 years. By the time the person gets to the 42nd year, we have the prime of life, or the second growth. And then, by 48 years, we have a change of life. One day we are going to explain all what we mean by this. And then, by 48 years, we are in the prime of mentality. By 70 years onwards, death comes. But we are not saying necessarily it needs to be 70 years before that. But that is the scheme as arranged. It could come before, it could come after the 70 years. This is a general presentation of the life cycle, how the spirit descends into matter and goes back into the spiritual world. This is the life cycle.
Filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all this.